Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes, computer class, 10th class. 10th class, we are reading part A, employability skill. In this, I already finished my part A, unit first, communication skill. Now, second unit is stress management and its technique. This is very powerful and very important things according to nowadays. So listen it clearly and try to understand my concept in this chapter. What is the meaning of stress? Whenever we are taking any pressures like our success pressure, our percentage pressures, any unfair things happen in our life, sometimes feel anxiety, endless wishes in our life, they will give emotions about fear to anything. It will known as stress. Greed for materialistic pleasure, achieving our goals, pressure from the society, or bitter past experience in our lives. All this leads to a state of emotion disturbance widely known as stress. Stress just an emotion. It will disturb us. Whenever we are doing anything, it will disturb us. Stress can be viewed as a disease that afflict people of all age group. It will happen in all age group. Not like nobody can say that it will happen only in young age. It will happen in small age also and old age also. Adolescent, youth, and the elderly. It often leads to addiction, loneliness, and antisocial mannerism. Means sometimes we feel antisocial, we just quit ourselves from the society. We feel we are alone. So this is known as stress. So it will create some disease like headache, nausea, degeneration of cognitive ability, and heart related problems. Stress will give us heart problems. So in this chapter we will learn about stressor. Who is stressor? Stressor is a person who keep the stress in mind. Some factors that contribute the stress: threat, dangerous situations, irritations, sometimes we feel irritations, social or peer pressures. Sometimes if anything happen in the society, they will say उसका बच्चा इतना परसेंटेज बनाया है, so don't take this as a personal. Unrealistic goals, expectations, we have so many expectations, bad experience, financial loss, and discriminations. Every person goes through a stressful phase. There is hence a need to manage stress. Stress does not always have a negative impact on us. It can something be useful and help us to accomplish great things. Stress not only give us a this impact in our life, stress give us very effective impact. If we think something too much, it will create, but don't think too much regarding anything. So in this, it is necessary to manage the negative emotions in a manner that does not lead to decline in one's ability or biological functionalities. Sometimes we are not able to do anything because of stress. Meaning of stress management. Stress management refers to a wide range of techniques that enable a person to cope with psychological stress effectively. It covers all the tools and mechanisms that alternate chronic stress, which could otherwise prove to be a lethal disease. It includes a pool of techniques that assist individuals in eradicating anxiety and negative thoughts and work on their well-being. Means stress management is the technique to overcome our stress and being able in going on positive attitude, not in negative attitude. Importance of stress management. What is stress management? Allow a person to react positively in a stressful situation. If we are doing anything, then do it with positive attitude. It provides way to measure the different level of stress so that the infliction can request external or help for a professional. It helps to identify these stressors, which can either be good in external situation. They can be categorized as positive stressor, dangerous stressor, irrelatable stressor. Means stressor are so many types. Positive. After successful recognizing the stressor, stress management provide measure to target those stressor. We need to target which type of stress anybody has. It helps us to bring about a healthy change in one's perception. We need to change his perception about regarding thinking or anything or situations. Stress management helps to bridge the gap between the available resources and the unrealistic demand surrounding them. We are making so many things in mind, but it will not happen, then we will go in the stress. Stress management also enhances the physiology of a person. It boosts his immune system and make him healthy. If we are good in mind, then we are able to do it anything. Our immunity is good. But if we are in negative mood, we are not able to do it. So stress management gives us immunity and boost our confidence. In next class, we will read about stress management techniques. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.